Alright guys, it's Tuesday, webinar day. I'm gonna start very straightforward here. If you're not registered to my free $0, no charge webinar tonight from 6 o'clock to 7 p.m. on Sydney time, do it now. Today we're gonna be we're gonna be learning on how to build a Excel sheet to do how we can see the leverage funds and all of the other dealer intermediary, non-reportable institutions on how they are, on what they are selling and what they are buying on the market, on the Forex market. All right. So don't waste this time. Don't waste this opportunity. I won't be doing it again, and it won't be saved on YouTube channel. So it will be only once, and that's forever. So don't waste your time. Go register. I'm being serious. This won't be on the YouTube. This won't be on your YouTube. So you have to go register free. It takes you 10 seconds. I've done this morning. It took me like 8 or 7 seconds between these. All right. You get the link through your email. 6 o'clock. Join us and learn how to do the commitments of traders. All right, guys. So again, subscribe, register for my webinar tonight, 6 to 7. That's all. All right, let's go. So we did have a few things. I have my phone here. we did have some things coming up this morning. I didn't have the opportunity yet, but the most important was the RBA meeting minutes. Right, we did have the release at 11:30 this morning in Australian time, and it sounds pretty hawkish in a sense where they say that they will have to maintain higher for longer. So the market was priced in a few cuts for 2024, but now, basically what happens is when the market pricing cuts for the next year, so let's say July, and then comes a minute saying that we'll have to maintain for longer, then the July one goes for August, right? So basically a month or two changes, but these already made a lot of difference on the Australian dollar price, and we did had a bullish move soon as the release of the minutes came in. Tonight we're gonna have the Canada CPI. So we're gonna have pretty much most of the markets are priced in a lower inflation. But that's a very interesting thing here because the Bank of Canada is maintaining a hawkish policy stance, towards the rates. So they want to keep higher for longer. But if the economy is giving signs of cool down, then there's no need to maintain higher for that longer as they want. So the CAD may be underperforming as well because of the petroleum prices, the oil prices. We did have this surge on oil. We did have this up move on the oil prices last month from 1st of October to pretty much end of October, last week of October. We did have this rise on oil prices because due to the war in Israel, but that was pretty much it. Soon as I would say the war calms down a little bit there, investors looked at it and say, well, it won't escalate even further. So yeah, that's it. And then they took profits on the oil and took profits on gold. And this is why we did have that, rally down on gold and rally down on US oil as well. But bear in mind that a lower prices on on oil, is bad for the Canada because Canada, I've already mentioned these, most of the exports are done by oil. So, it generates a big revenue for them. Anyways, so this is pretty much it. I don't want to go any further because I want to get ready. I want to prepare myself how to teach you guys how to build up a commitments of traders on your own. So again, register for my webinar tonight and I see you everyone there. And please subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, send this video to your friend, and already invite your friend to come along tonight. All right guys, so that's all. I see you in a few hours and I see you in the next video as well. Bye bye.